Finally, gold has seen 1700 levels. I told you today morning, stay short till the time it's below 1712. Every rise is good to remain short and see 1712 precisely. This is what is accuracy. And at the same time, look at this 31,300 and 12,100. Very strong support levels for Dow Jones and Nasdaq, and both trying to trade above this. Now, what is going to happen with the US cash session? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on this profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with Dow Jones, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. On the hourly charts, if you look at, see, though gold is getting support at 1700, if you look at this, see this last few candles and you will find here is the resistance at 1709, and it is skewed on the downside if you look at the hourly charts, and there is a support at 1700. So if you see it trading below 1700, you can go short somewhere at around 1698 levels, and then below that you can expect 1692 and below levels. These are also very much possible. Right now it is trading at the bottom, trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and trying to take the support from here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green, but it is trying to trade with very little divergence. RSI is also at bottom on the hourly charts. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see the highs there, it is getting rejected here, and the 1712 levels, this is the level beyond which only you can stay long, and then 1715 is the first and ultimate resistance. Trading below 1715, you can beyond 1715 you can expect a further rise. So yes, only long entry it appears is beyond 1712, and yes, you can try to initiate a long entry at above 179, but then 1712 1715 are going to be a good resistance level. Also it is trying to take a support, but it is skewed on the downside is what I am trying to show you. And yes, if it breaks below 1698, it has a further scope for it to drop till towards 1695 and 92 levels, and in fact below that is also possible. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking downwards again, and if you look at the MACD trading on the sell side, RSI at bottom willing to cross over for a sell and enter into oversold zone. Now look at the 3-hour charts, couple of retracement candles and then this drop candle. So yes, it is reflecting that possibly we may see a red candle here taking it till towards 1695 92 levels. So yes, you can stay short below 1698 and then expect 1695 and 92 levels. On the upside, above 1709 you can go long, but then 1712 1715 is a very good resistance, then 1718 and 1720 to 25. Till 25 it has got stronger resistances at every $2 to $3. You have to trade very cautiously till 1725. Beyond that it will fly, mark my words, beyond that it will fly. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, but remember, as I told, till 1725 it has got stronger resistance at every $3, and hence you have to trade with very cautiously. If you are taking a long entry at 1709, you have to trade with a stop loss, and specifically stop loss at cost, such that you cannot lose in case of a reversal. MACD is bearish and RSI is oversold on the 3-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation, but look at, see on the 4-hour chart, these two candles have given it a high there, and this is trying to take, this is the second red candle after a slight greener candle. This is skewed on the downside, and once it is skewed on the downside, the bottom is open. I think it can try to achieve 1695 and then 1692 levels, and in fact below that is also possible. Only long entry is above 1709. Beyond 1709 you can expect, as I have already told you, the levels 12 15 18 20 to 25. Beyond 25 it will fly. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see the candle is red here, and it is trying to give you third red candle, which is precisely the pattern which you should look at. The bottom of this channel at around 1695 and 90 levels, possibility exists that it may try to drop till towards these levels and retrace from here. Possibility exists that it can drop from here. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish. You will see the curve here, it is diverging, indicating more bearishness there. RSI about to enter oversold zone, and hence only long entry I will recommend is above 1709. But remember, 1712 is a very good resistance, 1715 is the next resistance. Then you have to trade with a stop loss till the time it trades below 1715. Possibility exists that it can reverse, and that should be considered as 70% bearish till 1715, and in between 1715 and 1725 it is going to be 50% bearish. About 1725 we can remain a little bullish. You can expect a rise. I don't think so it is going to reverse from here, but these are markets beyond you and me. Till the time it trades below 1709, you can go short at 1700 or 1698 levels. Below 1698, you can expect it to drop for 1695 and 1692. In fact, 1690 is a good support. Below that, we can see it dropping till towards 1680. If not today, then possibly tomorrow. But good to see markets achieving all the levels which I shared in my weekly analysis. Precisely behaved in the same fashion. 1745. I told you multiple times, very strong support and resistance, and precisely dropped from those levels. I hope you all profited. Now do not forget to subscribe this channel, and yes, if you want to learn the same art of trading profitably, taking right entry and right exits, identifying the supports and resistance, you can join my mentorship batch. Definitely the methodology will help you in your day trading decisions and help you become a profitable and proficient trader. The next batch is starting soon. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram channel, Telegram ID and Telegram and Gmail ID is also mentioned in the channel in video description. You can join that as just support, become a patron. But the patron site link is also mentioned in the description. Just become a patron and support the effort. And the next tier in the patron is where you get all the signals and consulting. Do reach out to me for details. Now let's have a look at the Nasdaq 100. See Tech 100 on the early charts taking the support from 12,100 levels. But it is failing to go past the high here. Only bullishness confirmation is if it trades about 12,300. And look on the early chart, it is giving a mega font pattern here. But at the same time, it comes with a red candle. And yes, if you see it trading above 17 to 12 to 20, you can go long again. And then beyond 12 to 20, you can expect that we may see it going till towards 12 to 50 and 12,300 ultimate resistance. Beyond that, it will fly. Directional movement is bearish, trying to diverge again. Stochastic is comfortable. It has seen a good rise. MACD has crossed over and it is trading bullish. It is divergent and it is bullish still. RSI is trading comfortable there. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour chart, see it is getting the support here, trying to reverse from here. But at the same time, this should be considered a retracement. If it breaks below 12,100, close your eyes, stay short, and we can look forward to another round of drop as we had told, as I had expected and shared in my weekly analysis and daily analysis. Well, that below this we will look forward to 11,900 levels. Now look forward to this. See these two candles on the 2-hour charts. It is trying to create a channel, and possibly below 12,150 itself you can take a short entry, but remember till 12,100 it can bounce back again, and then caution, that is the caution you have to take care. On the 2-hour chart, the direction movement is bearish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is comfortable and is out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, this is signaling a reversal here. This is the signaling of reversal. See the candle size diminishing and then this reversal candle appearing here. It appears that it may try to trade bullish with the stop loss at 12,150. We can stay long, but trend below 12,150 it will call for a good drop, and then we can expect it to drop further. On the downside, sky is the limit. Below 12,150 we can expect 12,100 is the first support, and below 12,100 it is going to fall for 12,000 and 11,900 levels. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic willing to come out of the oversold zone. MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. RSI is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. And on the 4-hour charts too, it is indicating a reversal here. And see the symmetry it is trying to create. And that is why we can see here it is getting a resistance here precisely from 12 to 30-40 levels. And beyond that, you can see it may try to achieve the highs here at around 12,350, 300. So possibility exists that if it is trying to reverse from here, it can try to give you another bullish candle, taking it till towards 12,300, 350 and 400. 400 is the ultimate resistance. Beyond that, it will fly high. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is bearish here. It is trying to converge. RSI is oversold, trying to come out of it. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, now if you look at the daily charts, see the highs there, and you will find 12,350 is going to be the ultimate resistance. This is also 100 period moving average, and this is also pivot level. Be cautious of 12,350 to 12,370 zone, and above 12,400 consider that as bullish, and it is going to fly for 12,500 levels also. But look at this, till now it is reversed from this pivot levels and support levels at 12,100, very strong. Now above this, definitely it will call for a little resistance there at 12,300, and then beyond that 12,350 levels are going to come into picture. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is near to bottom there. Considering this, yes, you can go long about 12,230 levels. Beyond that 12,300 is the target, and then 12,350 and 12,400. If it flies beyond 12,400, sky is the limit. Till 12,350, 12,400, you have to trade with a stop loss and stop loss at cost. Specifically, it can reverse, it can give you wild swing. You have to be very cautious as it has seen the lows. And if you consider this as channel, see the highs there at 12,350, the lows there at 12,000 levels, and possibly it can give you a good swing. Take it to drop till towards 12,000 levels and then rise till towards 12,350, very much possible. So take your positions accordingly. Go short below 12,150. Expect it to drop for 12,100. Very strong support till 12,100. Possibility of a reversal exists. Below 12,100, I will look forward to 12,020, 12,000 levels, and below that we may see it. If it breaks 12,000, then 11,900 is the next target. Till the time it trades above 12,000 and 12,100, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. In case of a reversal, you should avoid your positions there. So that is the importance of the trailing stop loss. On the upside, go long about 230, and then you can expect it to rise in between 12,150 and 230. Do not trade. Take your positions accordingly. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the early charts, taking the support at 31,300. See, this is the kind of pattern that it is a drop and the retracement, and then this time if it drops below 31,300, stays short and it is going to crash further. The next target is going to be 31,100, and then towards it may drop till towards below 31,000 levels. The resistance there at 31,450 is going to be strong, and then beyond that we may see it flying for 31,500, 550 and 600. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is comfortable, the MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is comfortable, it has come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, it has created the base here. See, the movement is complete, and the next 2-hour candle may try to take it on the downside. Then you have to look forward to 31,350 and then 31,300. Only breaking below 31,300, you should go short. Yes, you can take a short entry at 31,350 also, but 31,300 is a very good support, and below that we can see a good fall. Directional movement bearish, it is trying to converge, stochastic looking upwards, the MACD is bearish trying to converge crossover, RSI trying to look upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, look at the movements here, red candles and then a reversal candle, and that too the reversal has seen the highs there almost precisely at the same levels, 12,450 levels, and trying to get the resistance, the support there at 31,350, 340 is strong. Below this, yes, you can stay short then 31,300, and then below that we can see it dropping for 31,200, and 31,100 is the next support level. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold trying to come out of it, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI is oversold trying to come out of the oversold zone. At the same time on the 4-hour charts too, see, it is seeing the top out there, and if it reverses from here, it is going to give you very strong move. Try to take it till towards 31,200. Go short at 31,350 and go long about 31,450. This is very, very clear. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI is oversold trying to come out of the oversold zone. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find, see this zone, 31,500, very strong resistance there, and it is trying to sustain below 31,500. Also look at the charts here. Even if it tries to rise, you may find it getting the resistance at 31,700. I told you yesterday also, 31,700, below that you can expect a good drop. See, we have seen it coming till 31,300 now, and above 31,700 I will turn bullish, and then 32,000 levels can be expected. Till the time it trades below 31,700, you can expect a good swing, and then be watchful of 31,500. Beyond that, yes, you can try to initiate a long entry. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is near to bottom. Considering this, yes, you can go short at 31,350. Be cautious of 31,300, and if it drops below 31,300, it will call for a good drop till towards 31,220 as the first target, 31,150 and 100 as the next target. Below 31,100, we can see it dropping till towards 3900 and 800 levels. On the upside, if it trades above 31,350, go long, but then 31,400 is the 31,450. If it trades above 31,450, 31,500 is the good resistance, and beyond 31,500, you can see it rising for 31,550, 600. And above 600 it will hit 700 levels. Beyond 700 it will fly. Be cautious in between 31,000 levels and 31,700 levels. It can give you wilder swings. You have to be very cautious, you have to be very alert, and you have to trade with a stop loss in between these levels. Anytime trading with a stop loss, trailing the stop loss is always a beneficial strategy. Adopt this and definitely you will be in profit. Reach out to me for many of such strategies. Join my mentorship batch. Become a patron. Do support my efforts here. Become a patron. A minuscule contribution for me. Do counts. It is minuscule for me, but a great motivation for me. Do become a patron out there. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.